This footage was captured in Flint, Michigan, on April 24, 2023. Two ring cameras, one above the garage and the other on the front door, recorded the chilling event. Around 10 p.m., a man in a red jacket and another figure behind him approached the house. Without hesitation, the man in red began violently attacking the door. The doorbell camera crashed to the ground, but the door held firm. Undeterred, the man moved to the side door, where he continued his assault. The homeowner, awakened by the noise, frantically checked their cameras. Seeing the doorbell camera on the ground, they switched to the other feed, now fully aware of the danger lurking outside. The homeowner's voice over the speaker sent the intruders fleeing into the night. Police reviewed the footage and noted one of the men was armed. What they planned to do if they had succeeded in breaking in remains a terrifying mystery. The men were never caught. In Albuquerque, New Mexico, at 3 a.m. on April 9, 2023, another homeowner discovered a different kind of horror. Awoken by a notification on his phone, he reviewed his security footage, only to see a woman trying various keys on his front door. Unfamiliar with this intruder, he watched in horror as she began throwing rocks at his car and tampering with the locks. It was clear she was under the influence, attempting to insert keys into the doorbell camera itself. After several unnerving minutes, she vanished into the night. She was never seen again, and her intentions remain unknown. Walter Hickox of Daytona Beach, Florida, faced danger of a different kind in January 2022. While taking his dogs out, he noticed them fixated on something outside. Suddenly, a massive black bear emerged, scaling the protective railing and charging at his dogs. Without thinking, Walter lunged at the bear, managing to push it back and barricade the doorway with a chair. His quick actions saved his dogs from harm, though Walter sustained minor injuries. The bear retreated, but the terrifying encounter was far from forgotten. In Texas, a homeowner was jarred awake by a strange metal clinking sound at 1:20 a.m. She assumed it was nothing, but the next morning, she discovered damage to her property. Reviewing her security footage, she found a woman at her door claiming to be a DoorDash delivery driver. However, the most chilling footage came from her backyard camera. At 2 a.m., 4 men attempted to break into her home through a window. It's likely they planned to ambush her through the front door. But when no one answered, they resorted to the backyard. The men fled when they failed to gain entry, but their intentions were clear. The suspects, including the fake delivery driver, were never caught. In June 2019, Chicago residents were visited by a man impersonating a police investigator named Jeff Rushmore, a man who doesn't exist. Donning a fake uniform, badge, and radio, he approached homes with his act. At one house, despite no answer at the door, he continued his charade, pretending to report the unresponsive homeowner. At another home, the resident opened the door, and the video cuts out, leaving the interaction unknown. His motives remain unclear, but cases like this often lead to robbery or worse. The imposter was never identified. In Kansas City, a doorbell camera captured a man creeping along the edge of the screen, attempting to remove the camera unnoticed. Inside the home, a woman and her son were unaware of the danger. The man, the woman's ex-boyfriend, failed in his first attempt to remove the camera and returned 30 minutes later with a cloth to cover it. Moments later, the woman's son rushed into her. Frantic, their car was on fire. By the time police and firefighters arrived, their car and much of their home had been destroyed. The ex-boyfriend remains at large. Finally, in Asheville, North Carolina, a homeowner received a motion alert in April 2023. Checking her camera, she was shocked to see 3 bears on her front porch, tearing into a recently delivered package of dog food. She bravely confronted the animals, but they managed to escape with one of the bags. The bears wandered off into the night, leaving the homeowner shaken but unharmed. At 2 a.m. in Rochester, New York, a man rang a doorbell, then quickly hid behind a parked car. He crouched low, gripping a club, his breath heavy and eyes darting nervously. Clearly under the influence, he waited for someone to answer the door. When no one did, he walked away. Moments later, a voice called out that the police were on their way. Was this man hiding from someone, or was he planning something more sinister? We may never know, but one thing is certain: his intentions were far from innocent.